Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified on iPhone. So first of all, you just have to open your settings, scroll down and you can find the option of screen time. Open it. Now head towards this option of content and privacy restrictions. Open it. Over here you can find different options. Go to the option allowed apps. Here you can find this app Safari. Now you have to toggle on for this optional Safari. After you do that, go back, go to the main page of settings, scroll all the way down and find the app Safari. After you find the app, tap on Safari. Now scroll down. You can find this option of clear history and website data. Just tap on it and clear history and data for the Safari app. After you do that, scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you can find the option Advanced. Open it. Now head towards this option of Experimental Features. Open it. Scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you can find this option Reset All to Defaults. Just tap on it and with that, your problem is gonna be solved. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.